Hello, and welcome to the next episode from the ELKO Lab. Today, we will show you how you can create a modular switch and signalization in a very fast and easy way. USS is the family of switches and signalization modules, allowing you to create any variation according to your needs. The basic module is designed in the one module width as DIN rail mounted. The basic module has two spaces for plug-in of any controlling and signaling devices. It is easy to snap devices into the right position. Unused positions. The unused position should be covered with a blind flange. Therefore, you can create highly variable combinations. And then we can mount them in the switchboard with the transparent door. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode.